Okay, so I've just went around another 90-degree corner. Now I've got this inside curve to do, and then I've got a sharp point coming up. So when I'm going to stop to do my pivot this time, I'm stopping on the opposite side of the curve. Again, I'm always stopping on the fullest side of the curve. And I can control where that needle stops by my control of the foot pedal. All right, and now you can see that sharp curve coming up. A point. So I'm coming down to that point. Now I have a couple of ways to do this. This is one of my favorite ways. It's kind of a cheating way. I will just keep rotating the fabric so that the stitch will form along the outside and it will be smaller on the inside until I get to the point. Then I'm going to do my 45. And then I turn my angle so that when my stitch goes to the left, that it actually remains on the previous stitching. And I will do that for a couple of stitches. And then I'm able to go around the corner.